If you are having trouble digesting food, have low immunity, memory lapses, or have hair loss issues as well, your all-in-one solution herb, rosemary, is here to help you out. Evergreen rosemary is well known for its strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and memory-boosting qualities. Rosemary has been treasured since antiquity, since the Greek and Roman cultures regarded it as a symbol of fidelity and memory. Traditional medicine employed rosemary because of its healing properties and inherent ability to preserve food. Today, it remains popular in cooking and traditional medicine for its distinctive flavor and potential health benefits. In today's video, we will explore the possible advantages of rosemary herb to make our everyday health more worthwhile. 1. Antioxidant attributes. Strong antioxidants such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid are abundant in rosemary. These substances support the body's defense against harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and the risk of chronic illnesses like cancer, heart disease, and neurological conditions like Alzheimer's. 2. Deep inflammatory impact. Carnosol and rosmarinic acid, two of rosemary's anti-inflammatory constituents, can aid in reducing inflammation all over the body. Inflammatory diseases such as asthma, inflammatory bowel disease, and rheumatoid arthritis may benefit most from this. Regular rosemary ingestion or topical application can help reduce symptoms and enhance general health. 3. Enhanced digestibility. Traditionally, digestive issues have been treated with rosemary. It promotes bile production, which helps with fat digestion. This may help reduce gas, bloating, and indigestion symptoms. Furthermore, rosemary has the ability to ease digestive tract tension and facilitate more easily digested food. 4. Better concentration and memory. The scent of rosemary has been demonstrated in studies to enhance alertness, memory retention, and cognitive performance. Compounds like 1,8-cineol have been linked to these benefits. Adding rosemary to your food or inhaling its essential oil can help improve mental clarity and focus, which is especially helpful for long-term concentration tasks. 5. Increased immunity. The antimicrobial qualities of rosemary can support and fortify the immune system. It contains components that can fight off a variety of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungus. Regular use of rosemary can improve immune system performance by shielding the body from common diseases and infections. 6. Well-haired scalp. The hair care industry loves rosemary oil because of its ability to improve scalp health and encourage hair growth. Enhancing blood circulation to the scalp can help maintain healthy hair follicles and prevent hair loss. Furthermore, dandruff and other scalp infections can be avoided with the aid of rosemary's antimicrobial qualities. 7. Relief of pain. Rosemary's analgesic and anti-inflammatory qualities can aid in pain relief. It works well to relieve joint, muscle, and headache pain. Using rosemary oil in aromatherapy or as a topical application can help relieve a variety of pains, such as sore muscles and menstrual cramps. 8. Carcinogenic potential. Research suggests that rosemary may have anti-cancer properties. Compounds like carnosol and ursolic acid have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in certain types of cancer, including breast, colon, and skin cancer. Including rosemary in your diet may help prevent cancer, but further research is required. 9. Enhanced blood flow. Rosemary has the potential to enhance blood circulation, which is essential for good cardiovascular health overall. Improved circulation guarantees the effective delivery of nutrients and oxygen to different body parts. In addition to raising general vitality and energy levels, this can help lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 10. Depression and stress reduction. The aroma of rosemary has been shown to have a positive effect on mood and stress levels. It can help reduce anxiety, promote relaxation, and improve overall mental well-being. Aromatherapy with rosemary essential oil or consuming rosemary tea can provide a natural way to manage stress and enhance your mood. You can reap these health benefits by including rosemary in your diet, either as an essential oil or in culinary applications. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, take care of yourself and keep looking amazing. Bye.